Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, we're going to install the propeller on the engine of the SONEX aircraft that I'm building. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. Today, I'm installing a propeller that's manufactured by Prince Aircraft Company, and it's designed specifically for the AEROVEE Turbo engine with 100 horsepower. It has a 54-inch diameter and a 50-inch pitch, and it's a wood core with a carbon fiber cover on it for durability. It's also the P-tip model, which means that the tips of the propeller are curved inward for efficiency. According to the manufacturer, the wood core, carbon fiber, and P-tip give the propeller some flexibility in flight, which allows it to give us a better climb rate and also a better cruise based on the load on the propeller in flight. So we'll be installing this shortly. According to the manufacturer, it doesn't matter how we clock the propeller on here. So we're going to go ahead and place it on the hub. Next, put the spinner on here. It is actually a crush plate that's going on. And then we have some steel lock nuts that go on the back. Okay. Now, all of these bolts need to be tightened to 140 inch-pounds, and we're going to do it in a crisscross pattern. And I'm going to do it a little at a time. I'm going to start out with 60 inch-pounds. We'll do each of them at 60 inch-pounds and go from there. There's 60. Go crisscross, go down to this one. Okay, we've adjusted it to 100 inch-pounds, and we're going to go around on a crisscross pattern again. Okay, now we're going to go up to 140 inch-pounds. There's 140. Six. Checking the tracking of the propeller blades, I marked the tip of this blade where it comes to the tape in the down position. So now I'm going to go ahead and rotate the prop through for the other blade tip and see if it ends up in the same spot. Stand by. Okay, this is the second blade in the down position, and you can see it lines up in the same spot on the tape. So the tracking looks really good. Here's a close-up of what we've been doing. In order to get to these bolt heads, they're in these little tunnels in the crush plate, I needed to take a deep socket, 1/4 inch drive, a cheap version of it, and I ground down the edges of it so that it would fit in this little tunnel and go on that bolt. So again, I had to modify the socket to really fit. So the nuts on the back have been torqued to 140 inch-pounds, and so we have the propeller installed, and it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching.